Alright, what's up YouTube and anybody watching? So I got a few requests on how do you do the grill. I mean, on this stock one, all I did was obviously it's got the SLP grill on it, and then never liked that bottom grid that they had. So at the time I was making a lot of SLP copy grills with this aluminum mesh. I put it in the hood there. So my goal was to kind of make everything match. It's troublesome trying to find the material there on that grill. I've got some that I've been making that's close, but I'm not real happy with it, but it works. But back to the video at hand, I'm trying to make it sweet and short, and so there, that's the end result. Essentially, I'm going to walk over here. I got another car that I was starting on. This one here is picked this up out of a field for, I think it was $400. It was a pretty clean car for our area. I live in the Midwest, so you know, rust is kind of an issue. So, but I started it on this one here, and I'm glad that I went over to that car over there, because this was the first rendering of the grill, and I like that myself. But that's my personal opinion, because I'm going to build another hood for that one over there. It'll be identical, so I want that aluminum, I like that aluminum grill mesh in there, so it pulls some contrast off the body components. So then after the fact, what I end up doing, that's the hand cut grill. I have I just CNC'd cut 11 grill frames here last weekend, and I'm trying to finalize them up and get those out into the consumer world, I guess you could say. But you know, like I said, when you do I do the hood, basically it's a 30th anniversary Camaro hood scoop. Mold it to the hood, and yes, it's a lot of man hours for body work, but I enjoy it for the most part. So then that screen that's inside of there matches this as such, and then down in here, I mean, it's pretty generic mod. Oh, trying to. All right. So if you can about imagine here, you can see that grid. Let me get the piece. I'm hoping to make this somewhat of a tutorial, but I'm just kind of giving the gist of what I did. It's not really a tutorial, and just because I just don't think it's that difficult to do. So basically what it amounts to is you have your front grid, okay? Grab yourself your cordless Sawzall, okay? You go around the perimeter, basically cut that out, okay? Oh, excuse me. So after you do that, you know, in reality, you could actually do the screen behind there, nobody would ever notice that. I mean, granted, if it was a car that you were painting, definitely wouldn't notice it. Because what ends up happening is, what I did on the blue one, after I cut that out, I basically come up here, and then I just drew a line from this one to this one. Right? And then I just, well, straight, of course. And then, like this one here, ended up just tapering over to there. But I just took a Dremel and buzzed it straight so it's flush all the way across. So then after that, you know, this grill material comes in several different dimensions. Essentially what I ended up doing is I had a piece of, you just take a piece of grill mesh to go the full length of it right behind it, and then you take, to cover it, and then you take about 2 inches to 1.5 inches and you bend it 90 degrees, and then there's a little lip under there that you just kind of tuck it up on the end of there, and then you come up into here. I don't know if it's capturing it. Basically, yeah, once you grab that in there, then you just run your screws, you know, and then that'll capture that screen and then hold it up in there. So that's pretty much the gist of the vid, and I hope that helps the mod if you decide to do it. So yeah, it's really not that hard, and ends up making a huge difference. So hope you enjoy. Thanks.